Welcome back, my dear students. This is 8th standard mathematics, chapter number 4, practical geometry, exercise 4.2. Here, construct quadrilateral LIFT. In that, LI is equal to 4 centimeter, that I have drawn here in rough figure. IF is equal to 3 centimeter. TL is equal to 2.5. LF, this is the diagonal, that is 4.5 centimeter, and IT, another diagonal, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, so now you can see one construction you can draw by 3-4 ways, no problem. Any method, actually we want, if you are drawing by another way, so you will get its view different. Okay, so if you are starting through the diagonal, and if you are starting with the any one side, so no problem, don't worry, you will get correct answer, because we can draw this by 2-3 way. So first, as I told you that diagonal also you can draw, and any one side also you can draw. So I'm starting here with the diagonal, so that is LF 4.5 centimeter. So this is LF 4.5 centimeter, and the other side is LI is 4 centimeter. So in your compass, take 4 centimeter distance, and LI is 4 centimeters. So from L, draw an arc to get I. This is one arc, and FI is 3 centimeter. So in your compass, take 3 centimeter distance, and to get I point from F, we have to draw another arc. Okay, now this is I point. Now join these points, IF and IL. IL is 4 centimeter, IF is 3 centimeter. Now another point, LI is 2.5 centimeter. LI is 2.5 centimeter. So in your compass, take 2.5 centimeter distance. 2.5 centimeter distance. As LT is 2.5. So from, to get T point from L, you have to draw one arc, and as T, if one side is not given, don't worry, but another diagonal is given, which is Miss IT. To get T, we can draw from L, and for the other arc, that IT side is given, Miss IT one diagonal is given, and that is 4 centimeter. IT is 4 centimeter. So in your compass, take 4 centimeter distance, and from I, as IT is 4, so from I, that we have draw another arc. Okay, now here is the T point. Now join this point. This LT is 2.5 centimeter and IT is 4 centimeter. As TF measurement is not given, but we have T point also and F point also, so don't worry, you can just join these 2 points, T and F, over. And no need to write its measurement here, because as this is not mentioned in the questions, so no need. So this is the end of first example. Now I am taking third one. Actually vertically I have seen that, so after first second I took. Now construct rhombus BEND, and in that BN, this is one diagonal, and DE, this is second diagonal. Okay, so both the diagonals are given, but sides are not given. So whatever is given here, so we will start to draw from that side. So first, just see students here, if you are drawing DE first, and D's measurement is odd, means 6.5. 5 is the last digit, means odd number, and the another is BN is 5.6. So if you are drawing first odd line, odd diagonal, so after that to draw another diagonal, we can easily take half of the even number. So and the another diagonal BN is 5.6. So easily we can draw BN 5.6 by taking its half, because this is even number. So draw first this odd, that is DE side. Side means diagonal first. So DE is 6.5 centimeter. DE 6.5 centimeter. Now only put labels DE. 6.5 centimeter. Now, as I told, the another diagonal BN. So first, students, see how directly BN will come, because BN either it can draw from B or it can construct from N. But D and E we can't draw from there. So bisect it first. To this DE we have to bisect it more than half distance of DE and bisect it. From both sides you can draw the arcs. Draw an arcs from both the side. Okay, now bisect it. Join these 2 points. Okay, and this is forming 90-degree angle here. Now, but we want to draw here BN as 5.6. So students, we know the half of 5.6. Okay, half of 5.6 is equal to 2 to the 4 and 2 8 the 16, 2.8. Okay, so this is BN. So that we will draw here. Take 2.8 centimeter distance in your compass. 2.8 centimeter distance in your compass. This is 8. Okay, now as BN will come here, so why I have took 2.8? So this is the middle point. So from middle I will take 2.5, means I will draw one arc here, means from the origin 2.8 upside and 2.8 downside, and this full distance is 5.6. As this is 2.8 means this full distance is 5.6 centimeter till here. Now this is B, E, and this is N, D. Okay, now join these points. D we have BE, B also, E and N also. Now B and D, join this neatly. B and D. After that EN, means join all the sides. Here BE and DN, and all the sides of this rhombus are equal. Okay, and some students, that this is our observation, that students are taking 2.8 centimeter distance for the sides. So that is wrong, because two diagonals are given, so we have to construct first both the diagonals and after that just draw the lines, because we are getting all 4 points BE and D, and just for the sides we are getting points. So after that you can join the lines, and 2.8 centimeter distance is this is of the diagonal. Okay, so now here is the end of this second example, and now the next one we will send you in another video. Thank you, students.